Good morning to all of you. This is Imran ul Haq with a new reading video. My today's reading video is from book 16, and you can see GT reading. The topic is starting a new job, and we are going to do today questions from 21 to 27. Let's go to the questions first. The questions are the fill-ups you can see, and we are going to do today a question from 21 to 27. Complete the notes below. These are the notes given below, you can see, and these are the instructions. No more than 2 words. You are not allowed to use more than 2 words. It means 2 words are necessary, but more than 2 are not acceptable. How best to tackle a new job? Okay, let's go toward the questions. First of all, this is the first day before arriving at work. These are the kind keywords. Try out. Try out means to try something different mornings. These are the kind keywords or clue words. Try out different mornings that will create a sense of well-being. These are the keywords which I have underlined. Okay, so let's go to the text. So we are here. So you can see a new job is a great opportunity to hit the reset button. Hit the reset button. This is, you can see, a idiom which says that you are going to switch on to a new job where you face some difficulties. Okay, it means you are going to start a new job. If you got into the habit of skipping breakfast, if you are in the habit of leaving breakfast at your previous job, you can see, fit it now. Make it better, or experiment with getting a workout in before going to the office, and experiment. Okay, and try out with different workout with different plans. In before going to the office, before going to the new office, you try some different plans. Okay, having a routine you like. If you have a routine which you like, and if you are sticking to it definitely, and if you are, I mean, habitual of doing it, it impacts on your overall well-being. It will definitely affect your happiness. So you can see here, these are the kind of having a routine. If you have a routine you like, which you like, and sticking to it, and you are persistent, and you are continually observing that routine, it will definitely affect on your overall happiness. You can see, this is overall happiness, sticking to it, and having a routine. Try out. You should try out a different morning. What morning? That will create a sense, that will produce a sense of well-being. What is the thing that is creating a state of well-being? That is the cause of happiness. Okay, so you can see, having a routine you like and sticking to it. When you are having a routine, when you are habitual of doing something and is continually doing it, it will definitely affect your overall happiness. So overall happiness is given, you can say, well-being. So what is the reason of your well-being or happiness? That is your morning routines. You can see, routine, routine. So try to write down the correct spellings as well, because it matters a lot when you are writing your spellings correct in the text, in the exam paper, but you are not converting them properly on their answer sheet, so think it as wrong. Okay, so be vigilant. So let's move toward the next one. Make sure your chosen outfit confirms, agrees to the companies. So the outfit you have chosen, whether it is same, which is common, which is worn in the company. So let's move toward about the outfit. These are the kind words: confirms, make sure. Okay, we'll check. First of all, see, you can see here, you have probably already been to the office for an interview. Definitely you have gone through some questions when you visited that company, so you have probably already have been to the office, definitely friends, so you will have some idea of what the dress code is, and you must have some idea what kind of dress is being worn there. So you can see this is the dress code, and you have an idea before I mean you going to that company, and you have visited also that company for interview, and what is the dress code, and you have some idea. So see here, make sure your chosen outfit, whether the chosen outfit conforms to the company's dress code. You can see dress code. That's good, because the outfit or the dress you have chosen, whether it's matching with the company's outfit. So the thing is dress code. Two words, not more than two words. You can see here. These are two words. If you eat with colleagues, so when you are having or enjoying some meals or food with your friend at lunchtime, you can say midday, it will provide informations. These are the on there, and the way they operate, these are the keywords. Let's move toward the keywords again. It is a yes, accepting an invite to lunch. You can see here lunch, midday, food. So these are the clue words, attracting words. If you find these words, it will be definitely convenient for you to find out the answers. And if you are oblivious, if you forget or if you ignore these kind of words, so you see co-workers. Okay, when you accept any invitation from your boss and co-workers, okay, bookworks will allow you to get to know the people you will be working on more personal level. Definitely during that invitation or during that lunch, you will have some conversation with them, and you will talk about the company's rules and regulations, and you will get to know, okay, you will have more information about these people. It will also help you to get a handle, to definitely you will get information about what, on personalities and work style. Okay, so let's go toward the questions. It will provide you information, you will get a handle on their what way they operate, how they work. You will get about the information, how they operate, how do they work, and what is the second thing, what is the work style, how do they work, and the second thing is personalities. Okay, you can see personalities. It will provide information on their personalities, what kind of people they are, okay, what kind of thinking do they have. Okay, so try to keep your spellings accurate. Okay, personalities, personalities. Next thing is, our question is, it may be wise, it may be wise to prepare some. Okay, so keep ready something, okay, that will help you, support you interactional flow. Definitely when you are sitting with your friends for midday lunch, and you are interacting with them, you are having a conversation with them, so definitely for this flow when you are, I mean, talking with them, you should have some interaction flow. And what is needed for this interaction flow? Okay, so you will have to prepare something for this interaction flow. Let's see what should be prepared. So you can see here something uh, like this. To ensure the lunch goes well, if you want to make that lunch must be well, must be enjoyable, have a few conversation starter in your mind. So keep in your mind some conversation starters. Okay, you should know what kind of starters for the conversations are in your mind. Okay, that way if the talk dries up, sometimes the when you loses the enjoyment of the talks or discussions, so what should you do? You can get it going again, you get it going again. you can get it going again. So what would help your conversation to get it going again? Definitely a few conversation starters. So ensure lunch goes well. If you want to make your lunch well or enjoyable, so you should have some conversation started into your mind, and when the conversation is going to dry up, so keep the, and if you want to, I mean get it going on, okay, keep it starting, keep its flow on, so you should have some conversation started in your minds. Okay, let's start conversation starters. Because he says you can use two words. Okay, conversation starters. There's no place, that's why I'm writing um, a bit down. Okay, next one is during the first few weeks, work out some, plan some. Okay, plan some, devise something in detail. Okay, plan something detail, and how to go about fulfilling them. Okay ji? So how to go about fulfilling them, how you are fulfilling that thing, how you are going to complete that. Okay, so what would you, I mean plan, what would you devise? Okay, and how you are going to fulfill them. Let's see. One of the big outcomes of going through a job is you learn loads about yourself. Definitely, when you are working somewhere, you know the load which is, I mean, which will you handle during your work in particular. Okay, especially you learn when you want and do not want. You learn at your duty what you do and what you don't want, what you want, and what skills you bring to the table, and what kind of skill do you have which you present before the companies. Okay, with this newfound understanding, so newfound understanding takes some time over the initial period. So better you take some uh, take some time to, I mean, think. Okay, period, initial time. Okay, uh, time to think. Okay, start thinking about somewhat, about goals you have for your new role. If you have you got that new role, and you have definitely some goals also, and try to take some time to think about these goals. Okay, so the next thing, in identifying these early on, if you I mean get an idea about those goals a bit early, you will be one step closer or to positioning yourself for success. You will be able to achieve your success. Of course, if you get these goals as early as possible, then you will be in a position to get your success. Okay, you will be at a position of success. Okay, let's see. Work out some goals. Okay, plan some goals, think about some goals, and how to go about fulfilling them, and how you have planned to complete or to fulfill these goals. You can see here even, yes, what goals take some times. With these newfound understanding, take some time over the initial period to think. So try to think something in the beginning. Okay, about what goals you have for your new roles you are going to implement on your new role. Okay, if you are able to identify them as early as possible, you will be very close to your success. So the thing is, plan some goals and how to go about fulfilling them. Try to keep a completely try to keep okay a completely as you settle into the post. Okay, try to keep a completely, try to have something as a whole as you settle into the post. When you settle on the post, okay, that is a good thing. Workouts, try to keep completely what you should try to complete completely. Okay, as settle in the post. Let's start what we are going to do. It's important that you approach your new job. Okay, it is really very significant. Okay, it is uh, important that what kind of thinking you have about your new job, okay, with an open mind, okay, with an open mind, and that you are ready to soak it all, okay, soak it all. It is important that you approach your new job with an open mind. So it is really very important that you should be open minded when you go to your new job. You can see here, try to keep a completely open mind as you settle into the new post, okay. See, try to keep a completely open mind mind as you settle into the post. Now you can see also, it's important that you approach your new job with an open mind. You should be open mind when you go to your new job, okay, open mind. And that are really soak it all in. Be patient with yourself as the figure out how you fit. See this, how you fit in, okay. Be patient with yourself. So try to be patient, okay, as you figure out how you fit in it, and try to fit in, okay, when you are going to fit it in. And see, make sure you understand the way things are done before rushing in to give a suggestion on the improvements. First of all, you see, be patient with yourself as you figure out how you fit in. Okay, sorry, you can see here also how, as you settle into the post, how you see now, you figure out how you fit in, again. So be patient until you fit in the job, and make sure you understand the way things are done of before rushing. You should not rush before the things. You should not run after the things. So be patient, understand the things, the way things are done, and avoid giving suggestions on improvements, because you are no, don't run are done, okay, before rushing into the giving suggestions on improvement. Don't run after giving suggestions as early as possible. First of all, you should put out how you fit in. So try to settle yourself on the position, okay. So it's important that you approach your new job with the new mind, okay. So you can see the next thing is avoid making proposals. See, avoid making proposals, okay. Don't give suggestions for what, too soon, early, okay. So don't be patient, don't run after giving suggestions, avoid making suggestions. Now here you can see this one, and make sure you understand the way things are done. You should be patient, you can say, you should be patient, okay, as you figure out how you fit in, and make sure you understand the way things are done. So you keep on seeing the things, how the things are being done, before rushing into giving on suggestion, before giving any kind of suggestions, okay. Suggestions before giving any kind of suggestions, okay. You can see here, avoid making proposals, suggestions. You can see proposals, okay. Proposals for what? Suggestions on improvements, okay. So try to avoid. So be patient, let the things going on, okay. Don't rush, don't run into giving suggestions on improvement. So on what suggestions are given, you can see here, avoid making proposals for improvements. So you can see, this was our today's reading passage. It was starting a new job, and it was a test 4. Even you can see it was a test for starting a new job. It was a book 16 GT reading, questions 21 to 27. Hope you would like my channel and subscribe it. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.